Get ready to discover the most mind-blowing inventions of 2025. In this video, we're showcasing the top 20 genius inventions you can buy on Amazon, featuring innovative, practical, and futuristic gadgets that will transform your daily life. From smart home devices to clever tools for work, travel, and fun, these inventions are designed to make life easier, faster, and more exciting. Perfect for tech lovers, creators, and anyone who loves smart solutions, each product combines style, functionality, and cutting-edge technology. Watch as we reveal gadgets that are not just cool, but truly game-changing. CINCOM Hand Massager. The CINCOM Hand Massager is a compact, portable device designed to relieve hand pain and stiffness through air compression, kneading massage, and gentle heat therapy. It offers 3 massage modes, 3 intensity levels, and 2 heat settings, allowing users to tailor relief from mild relaxation to deeper pressure. The 4 massage heads and airbags target fingers, palms, and wrists, stimulating acupressure points to improve circulation and ease discomfort. With a rechargeable battery supporting 4 to 5 hours of cordless use and automatic shutoff for safety, it's travel-friendly and easy to operate via buttons or touchscreen. Variants include the classic CM026H, the Comfort CM088H for larger hands, and the Smart Touch CM096H with separated finger compartments. HSA FSA eligible, it's backed by a 30-day return policy and 1-year warranty, making it a smart, practical choice for daily hand care. Errorless Heating Pad. The Errorless Heating Pad is a smart, weighted electric wrap designed to soothe neck and shoulder pain with comfort and precision. Weighing around 2 pounds, it fits snugly around your shoulders, distributing warmth evenly through stone seed edges and internal heating coils. Heating up in just 30 seconds, it offers 6 adjustable heat settings from 104 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and a digital timer with automatic shutoff for safety. The soft, machine-washable fabric and 7-foot cord provide flexibility to relax anywhere, while the gentle weight adds a comforting pressure that feels like a soothing hug. Ideal for people who spend long hours at desks or computers, it's more than a basic heating pad. Its combination of weight, control, and rapid heating creates a premium relaxation experience, making it a smart and thoughtful gift. ENERGIZE LAB Eilik. The ENERGIZE LAB Eilik is a delightful desktop companion robot designed to bring fun and personality to your workspace. Featuring a 1.54-inch OLED face with over 140 expressive emotions, Eilik comes alive through 4 EM3 servos and a vibration motor. Touch sensors on its head, back, and belly allow intuitive interaction, while its high-strength polycarbonate body ensures durability. Powered by a 450 mAh battery, it provides around 1.5 hours of play per USB-C charge. Eilik operates fully offline but can recognize other Eiliks, enabling interactive play such as dancing, chatting, and sharing expressions. Built-in mini-games, countdown timers, and firmware updates keep its personality growing over time. Its charming animations and lively responses make it feel like a real little friend, adding motivation, entertainment, and warmth to any desk without needing Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Plaud NotePin. The Plaud NotePin is a compact, wearable, AI-powered note-taker designed for effortless hands-free recording. Weighing just 17 grams, it can be worn as a magnetic pin, clip, wristband, or necklace, letting you capture meetings, lectures, or conversations on the go. Equipped with 64 GB storage, dual MEMS microphones, and a 270 mAh battery offering up to 20 hours of continuous recording, it supports long sessions without interruption. Using the Plaud app, recordings are transcribed in 112 languages, structured into summaries, mind maps, and action points, with key moments highlighted via a simple tap. Multimodal input allows images or written notes to enrich context. Data is encrypted locally with enterprise-grade protection, SOC 2, HIPAA, GDPR compliant. Its ultra-portable design and advanced AI make note-taking seamless, turning spoken words into actionable insights while keeping your hands and attention free. COMITOK MOCA. The COMITOK MOCA is a magnetic camera grip for iPhones that brings professional-level control to mobile photography. It attaches instantly to MagSafe-enabled iPhones or older models using a magnetic plate and includes a detachable Bluetooth remote for shutter control, switching camera modes, flipping lenses, and adjusting exposure or focus without touching the screen. Its soft, durable silicone body ensures a comfortable, fatigue-free grip, while a keychain hook makes it portable. A built-in 1/4-inch tripod thread lets you mount it for stable, hands-free shooting. The remote charges via USB-C, with independent battery and Bluetooth indicators keeping you informed. MOCA works at the system level, so no apps are needed, making it privacy safe. Compatible with iOS 17.26 and available in multiple colors, it's perfect for vlogging, portraits, or everyday photography. MoveSpeed GD10. The MoveSpeed GD10 is a futuristic portable SSD combining speed, security, and playful design. It features a 1.83-inch color touchscreen for entering a PIN, monitoring disk health, temperature, and transfer history, all without extra software. Its zinc alloy body offers durability, heat dissipation, and a premium feel. With USB 3.2 Gen 2 support, read speeds reach up to 1050 megabytes per second, making large file transfers lightning fast. Storage goes up to 2 TB with 3D NAND flash, and the drive auto-encrypts when disconnected, requiring a password on the screen for access. Unique features include Apple Find My Network support for locating the drive if lost, plus 2 built-in fidget toys, a scroll wheel and pushcard, for stress relief. Compact and lightweight, the GD10 is perfect for creators, travelers, or anyone serious about their data. YUNDOOG Frozen Meat. The YUNDOOG Frozen Meat Defrosting Tray is a smart kitchen gadget that thaws frozen meat quickly and naturally without electricity or microwaves. Made from 6mm high-density aluminum, it absorbs room heat and channels it directly into the frozen food, speeding up thawing while preserving nutrients and vitamins. The tray measures 8 by 14 inch, fitting multiple cuts at once, and its non-stick coating ensures easy release and cleaning. A drip tray catches juices to keep countertops clean, while silicone corner grips and a hanging rope make it convenient and space-efficient. Acting like a heat sink, it gradually and safely transfers warmth to meat, reducing preparation time and avoiding uneven thawing. Perfect for busy kitchens, meal prep, or anyone seeking a simple, energy-free solution for defrosting frozen food efficiently. Cisily Black Sponge Holder. The Cisily Black Sponge Holder is a modern kitchen sink organizer that keeps your sponges, brushes, and soap neatly arranged while preventing countertop mess. Made from rust-resistant 304 stainless steel with a matte black finish, it combines durability with sleek style. Its rotatable spout swivels in 3 directions, directing water from wet sponges straight into the sink. Despite its compact size, the holder features 3 compartments, one for dish soap or detergent, one for a sponge, and a tall section that can hold up to 4 brushes of varying sizes. The fixed drip tray adds stability and simplifies cleaning, while the no-installation design lets you place it instantly on your countertop. With smart organization, easy drainage, and robust construction, it elevates a simple kitchen accessory into a functional, space-saving, and stylish solution for everyday cleanup. HCNT Floating Bulb Lamp. The HCNT Floating Bulb Lamp is a mesmerizing blend of technology and design, using magnetic levitation to make an LED bulb hover above its base. The bulb emits a soft, warm yellow glow and stays lit through electromagnetic induction, requiring no cables or batteries. Available in wood grain, black or white finishes, the base features a touch-sensitive switch to power the lamp on and off. When active, the bulb floats 15 to 20 millimeters above the base and gently spins 360 degrees in silence, creating a hypnotic, futuristic effect. With a rated lifetime of 50,000 hours, the LED is built to last for years. Safety features ensure the bulb is captured by the magnetic base if levitation fails. Developed by HCNT, a leader in magnetic levitation craftsmanship, this lamp combines decades of R&D to deliver a truly enchanting lighting experience. RANVOO AICE 3. The RANVOO AICE 3 is a next-generation wearable neck air conditioner that delivers personal climate control wherever you go. Using IceMax cooling technology with dual-layer quaternary semiconductors, it can lower the temperature around your neck by up to 12.6 degrees Celsius. 4 high-speed fans and a 7-channel air duct system circulate cool air across your upper body, while a 1.9-inch touchscreen allows precise control of temperature and fan speed, and displays real-time health metrics like heart rate and blood oxygen. The AI-powered Makartt system adjusts cooling automatically to optimize comfort and battery life, while the 7,000 mAh battery provides up to 12 hours of use. AICE 3 also supports heating mode, warming your neck to about 50 degrees Celsius in cold conditions. Bluetooth lets you handle calls and music on the go. Compact, smart, and versatile, it's a wearable climate solution for any season. ONO Roller. The ONO Roller is a sleek, handheld device designed to reduce anxiety, improve focus, and provide a satisfying tactile experience. Unlike noisy fidget tools, it features two parallel, frictionless cylinders that roll silently against each other, creating a calming, meditative motion. Available in multiple materials and sizes, the junior version uses ABS plastic for lightweight use. The standard size is aircraft-grade aluminum for a cool, weighty feel, and a stainless steel variant offers extra heft for deliberate, grounded rolling. You can roll it between fingers, glide it across the palm, or even massage tense muscles. Its discreet, silent design makes it perfect for classrooms, work meetings, or quiet spaces where other fidgets would be distracting. Compact, portable, and intuitive, the ONO Roller transforms restless energy into calm, helping you stay centered and focused throughout the day. Latumab Eye Massager. The Latumab Eye Massager is a wearable wellness device designed to relieve eye strain, tension, and fatigue from long screen sessions or stressful days. It combines air compression, vibration, and gentle heat to massage the eyes and upper face, with heating pads warming up to 42 to 45 degrees Celsius to improve blood circulation. The device offers 5 massage modes: automatic, clear, vitality, beauty, and sleep, letting you customize each session. Bluetooth connectivity allows music playback, including 3 built-in tracks, for added relaxation. Its adjustable headband and 180 degrees foldable design make it portable and comfortable for various users. Powered by a 1200 mAh rechargeable battery, it lasts up to a week on regular use and features a 15-minute auto timer for safety. Quiet, ergonomic, and versatile, it's ideal for modern eye care. Supernova Bluetooth Speaker. The Supernova Bluetooth speaker by Gravastar combines futuristic aesthetics with impressive audio performance. Its sci-fi lantern-inspired zinc alloy chassis feels solid and premium, while a 3-inch full-range speaker paired with a 0.5-inch tweeter delivers 25 watt of crisp, deep sound. Bluetooth 5.3 allows stable streaming up to 20 meters, and 2 units can be paired for stereo audio. The speaker also doubles as an ambient light, offering 3 lighting modes: dynamic, single color, and camping, with 8 colors, including a flickering campfire effect. A foldable handle makes it portable, and the 9-hour battery ensures music and glow last through the day. Stylish, tactile, and tech-forward, it's a perfect desk accessory, travel companion, or living room statement. Reddit users admire its design and unique presence, making it more than just a speaker. It's a conversation starter. WLDOCA Levitating Plant Pot. The WLDOCA Levitating Plant Pot is a futuristic home decor marvel that combines technology and nature in a mesmerizing way. Using magnetic levitation, the pot floats smoothly above its base and rotates a full 360 degrees, giving small plants like succulents or bonsai even light exposure. Made from lightweight ABS resin, it remains stable while supporting up to 300 grams. And its plug-and-play operation makes it easy to use. Simply place it above the base, adjust until it stabilizes, and watch it hover gracefully. The powered base ensures continuous levitation, and if the power cuts, the pot gently settles without damage. Its hypnotic rotation creates a calming, meditative vibe, making it a standout piece for desks, living rooms, or creative spaces. This innovative planter is also a unique gift for plant lovers who enjoy high-tech elegance. DIGIERA Magnetic Portable SSD. The DIGIERA Magnetic Portable SSD is a sleek, ultra-fast external drive designed for creators on the move. Its MagSafe-style magnetic design lets it snap seamlessly to your iPhone or any compatible device, while a magnetic patch ensures versatility for non-magnetic gadgets. Supporting USB 3.2 Gen 2x2, it delivers blazing speeds of up to 2000 megabytes per second read and 1800 megabytes per second write, making 4K video editing or large file transfers effortless. Weighing just 46 grams, its durable metal body dissipates heat efficiently, and capacities range from 512 GB to 4 TB with multiple color options. Rated for 1500 G shock resistance and 10 to 2000 Hz vibration tolerance, it's both rugged and reliable. Its 3-year warranty and compatibility with Android, iOS, Windows, macOS, and Linux make it a versatile, high-performance storage solution for anyone on the go. OCOOPA Magnetic Hand Warmers. The OCOOPA Magnetic Hand Warmers are a clever and portable way to stay warm during chilly days. Featuring rechargeable batteries and built-in magnets, the units snap together for easy storage. Models like the UT2S offer up to 16 hours of warmth with 4 heat levels, heating up in seconds for instant comfort. The slim UT3 Lite, just 1.85 centimeters thick and 65 grams per piece, is pocket-friendly yet powerful, reaching up to 126 degrees Fahrenheit for hours. Both recharge via USB-C and include silicone straps, storage pouches, and dust-resistant ports. Equipped with temperature-controlled chips for safety and built to handle outdoor use, these warmers are perfect for hiking, skiing, commuting, or relieving cold-related discomfort, combining portability, fast heating, and reliable performance in one smart winter accessory. Fanttik B10 Pro Max. The Fanttik B10 Pro Max is a compact yet powerful cordless electric air duster designed for cleaning electronics, keyboards, workbenches, and more. Its brushless motor spins at 130,000 RPM, producing airflow up to 65 meters per second, with 6 adjustable speeds plus a boost mode for heavy-duty cleaning. Dual 4,000 mAh batteries provide up to 210 minutes of runtime, and it doubles as a USB-C power bank. Despite its strength, it remains lightweight and portable, approximately 322 grams, with an LED screen for battery and gear status, and a built-in light for dark corners. Versatile nozzles and brushes handle various surfaces, while safety features prevent overheating or accidental use. Perfect for home, office, or workshop, the Fanttik B10 Pro Max combines precision, convenience, and power in a single smart device. Makartt Nail Dust Collector. The Makartt Nail Dust Collector is a powerful and efficient tool for anyone working with acrylics, gels, or nail drills. Its 60W dual turbine motor provides strong suction to capture even the finest nail dust, keeping your workspace clean and safe. The adjustable speed knob and LED display allow precise control of suction force, while the reusable filter is easy to clean with a brush or hairdryer. Cooling vents prevent overheating during long sessions, making it ideal for both home users and professional salons. Compact and durable, the Makartt Dust Collector handles various nail tasks efficiently, dramatically reducing mess. Though it produces noticeable sound and requires care with large particles, its strong suction and reliability make it a favorite for nail techs and hobbyists seeking a clean and organized workspace. VISSPL Mini Projector. The VISSPL Mini Projector is a compact, portable device that delivers surprisingly big screen entertainment in a tiny frame. Measuring just 6.1 by 5.08 by 2.4 inches and weighing 1.1 pound, it supports 1080p Full HD resolution and projects screens from 35 to 160 inches. Equipped with a 15-degree keystone correction and a mini tripod, setup is quick and easy. Connectivity includes HDMI, USB, AV, and a 3.5mm audio port, while the built-in speaker provides decent sound. Ideal for travel, camping, or small movie nights, it works best in dimly lit rooms. Though it lacks Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, efficient cooling keeps fan noise low, and manual focusing helps maintain image sharpness. Lightweight, versatile, and easy to use, the VISSPL Mini Projector makes portable entertainment simple and convenient. Babyfeel UV Light Sanitizer. The Babyfeel UV Light Sanitizer is a smart all-in-one device that uses UVC light to disinfect and dry items safely and efficiently. Its spacious interior can fit up to 8 Oz baby bottles, while a digital touch panel lets you choose from 4 modes: sanitize, sanitize, plus dry, or store, which maintains sanitation for up to 72 hours. Highly reflective inner walls ensure 360 degrees UV coverage, and safety features like a tight seal lid and advanced lock prevent accidental exposure. Made from BPA, phthalate, and lead-free materials, it's easy to maintain, with a replaceable UVC bulb lasting over 6,000 hours. Versatile enough for phones, toys, and beauty tools, the Babyfeel Sanitizer is a convenient, reliable, and high-tech hygiene solution for the entire family.